Hello, my friends. Happy Tuesday. Sorry for the quick adjustment on that screen. I hope you are all doing well today. I am just making sure that I pop up live on my screen here momentarily. I hope you are all having an enjoyable Tuesday. It is a beautiful day in Northern California, and yes, I do see myself live, and we are ready to go. Hello, Jennie. Oops, let me tilt that just a little bit more. Happy Tuesday, my friends, and welcome back for another episode of Teach It Tuesday with Tammy and Jennie. For those of you that are new to my page, welcome. My name is Tammy Sabella with Cards by TLC, and today Jennie and I are playing with some super fun projects, showing you the Round We Go bundle from Stampin' Up. I actually struggled at the beginning of this with creating some project today, but I had fun playing with it once I actually got into it. The bundle is so cute. It has amazing sentiments and some stamps that coordinate with the dies, and then the dies are really fun because this little piece right here actually makes really cute rosettes. And I really wanted to create a rosette today. Unfortunately, I realized, wait for it, I don't have a glue gun. And this is the best way to glue the pieces together so they stay together to create a fun circle. So Tammy's going to be going on Amazon later today and ordering a glue gun. I know, I'm a crafter and I don't have a glue gun. What the heck? But anyhow, I should be fired. My crafting card taken away. I know. But like I said, I'll be ordering one later today, and we will come back to this bundle and create some rosettes with you and have fun with that. Okay. Let's go ahead and go over the project today. We have a lot of bling. I had to bring in the 2024-2026 in color glimmer paper to go with these amazing embellishments. I love these embellishments. I know you probably cannot see the glitzy and sparkle in that, but these are called the Druzy adhesive back embellishments. And I thought that they really went well with the project today. So we have some bling today. And then again, we are playing with in colors. No problem, Patty. Welcome. Glad you are both here today. And then we are playing with the Summer Splash. Summer Splash is going to be my main card base today. Now, don't worry. If you do miss the sizes and dimensions on the projects today, they are going to be at my blog tomorrow, September 25th, at cardsbytlc.com. So be sure to head on over there in case you miss any of the... Thank you. Thank you. I know. Painted them myself. I know. Don't have a glue gun, but I can paint my nails. Anyhow, we are playing with Summer Splash today, as it's one of my favorite colors in the in color, and they are cut at 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5.5 for a top folding card base, and then we just have 2 pieces of basic white panels cut at 4 by 5 1/4, and then I have, with the magic of TV, have already pre-cut out the die that I'm using. I love this die. It looks like an award type sticker type die. And then I have pre-stamped this and pre-cut that out. I don't know if you can see that, but what I did was barely make that out. But what I did was I took this stamp and I stamped it in Summer Splash full strength, and then I slightly rotated that, and just like so, and re-stamped it off in the off color. So it just gives it just that hint of stamped off of color splash. And then I have pre-cut these dies out in our 2024-2026 glimmer paper or shimmer paper. And this is in Summer Splash and Petunia Pop. And then I stamped my sentiment in Petunia Pop. So very quick and easy. Today, I needed to keep it simple this week. So that is where we stand with that. We are going shopping for a hot glue gun. Absolutely. Okay, so, oh, and then our designer paper, where is that? Did I not cut you out? I did cut you out. Okay. And then, of course, I use the 2024-2026 in color designer paper. I love this. I love the design on our designer paper this year for the color families and the in color. So that is cut at 2.5 by 5 1/4. And I think what I'm going to do, I know I stamped my stars, but I think I kind of want to bring this down to 2 inches. I think I'm going to cut this down to 2 inches. So disregard that 2.5. This is actually cut at 2.5, but I am going to cut it down just a little bit so I can have those stars show up just a little bit more. So we're going to cut you down to maybe 2 1/4. And I don't know what happened with I don't think my blade was on there very good. We're going to cut you down to 2 because this bottom half just kind of maybe 2 1/8. I wanted to do 2 1/4, but my blade wasn't in and it messed up my paper there. So 2 1/8 by 5 1/4 is going to be on this design today. And then we are going to come in here with our Summer Splash and our little stars or starbursts or fireworks, whatever you want to call them. Sparkle stars. And then I'm just going to kind of go down like a zigzag down my paper. And there we go. There's some fun little bling for you. And then since I have the green out and my stars out, I'm going to go ahead and stamp the inside of my stars. And we're going to go kind of in that bottom right hand corner. Come on, what is going on with the ink? Okay. It just doesn't look like it's on there, but it really is on there. That is the strangest thing. Looking at that, it doesn't look like that I have ink on there, but when I stamp, I do. It's magic. Okay, so there are our stars. And then I'm going to come in with some Petunia Pop and the Time to Celebrate, because we're just going to go ahead and finish up the inside of the card and then stamp our happiest birthday on our little, I like to call it like an award type thing. It almost looks like one of those award stickers that you used to get when you were a little kid. And then we're going to go ahead and put that in there, but let's go ahead and do happiest birthday. I love the fonts on this. You know I'm a font girly. So happiest birthday. And we are going to go ahead and come in with some adhesive and put that on the inside, and then the inside of the card will be done. Easy peasy. Like I said, the sizes this week are very easy. Wanted to keep it simple this week. And then I'm going to come in here. Let me go ahead and glue. And I can't glue that down yet because we have our ribbon. Look at this beautiful, beautiful shaded spruce ribbon. I know it's not Summer Splash, but it really blends really nicely. This is in our September to December mini catalog. And this is part of a suite. And I don't have my mini catalog near me. Otherwise I would show you, but this paper or this ribbon is so pretty. So it's in shaded spruce, and I thought it complemented finishing up that card really, really well. Yeah, the gold foil award sticker. Thank you. I knew it was something like that. That said like superstar or super student or whatever. I knew it was something like that. Okay. And now we're going to come in with that ribbon. That ribbon is so, so pretty. Adds a nice little element to that. And my new ribbon scissors. Thank you, Patty, for that gift. Gotta have a good pair of ribbon scissors. And then I am just going to come in here and not tie a bow, but I'm just gonna tie a little knot because the knot looks just as pretty as the bow. You know me and bows. I will be here until tonight at dinner time making a bow. I know this ribbon does complement it, Jenny. It actually, because of the sheerness of this part of the ribbon, it makes it lighter. And so I really, really, truly believe, and it to me, it almost looks more Summer Splash than shaded spruce, but it is shaded spruce. But because of the solid ribbon and then the on top of the sheer, I think that's what throws it all off. But it complements it extremely well. And then now we're gonna go ahead and come in with our adhesive and add that to our card front. And then I'm gonna come in with our bling and our little starburst. And then I'm going to take some liquid glue and add that just to the center. And then line that up with the center. And I'm going to line those up. Do I like it off-centered? I kind of like it off-centered a little bit. It really gives it that fun little extra look to that. And then we are going to glue this down. You can see my little whoopsie on the back. And then add our little sparkle. These colors complement each other so well. That is what I love about the 2024-2026 in colors. They really do complement each other really, really well. Come in with the foam sheets, pop this up, and then we will bring in some, I think it's almost like a rose gold. No, it's gold. It almost looks rose gold, but it is gold. Of this bling and finish this baby up. We had a lot of extra bling on this one. And right there. And one right there. There we go, my friends. There is some fun birthday cards. It would be great for a preteen, like maybe a 13-year-old, someone who 13, 14, 12-year-old, someone who likes a little bit of bling and gives it that girly aspect of things. So that is going to be it for me today. Be sure to join Jennie on her Facebook page at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Stampin' with Jen. That's 2 N's in Stampin' and 2 N's in Jen. But I thank you all for joining me today for another episode of Teach It Tuesday with Tammy and Jennie. And I hope to see you all on my live on Thursday at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on my YouTube channel at Cards by TLC. We're going to dive into some more Christmas fun with the new September to December mini catalog. But in the meantime, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you all next time for more creative fun. Bye, everyone.